As far as design, static data causes issues in code. Whenever you have static data, you are making your code less flexible because there can only ever be one of those bits of data. That being said, unfortunately at this point, it's probably going to be necessary for a lot of people to work with static data simply because the alternatives tend to introduce some concepts that might be a little bit complex. And just getting used to object-oriented programming is more important than trying to be completely pure. Good for high score. Yeah, I wouldn't do it, but I would. That would be something that a person I could see. I could see a person doing that. So it's definitely complex as far as why you wouldn't want to use static data. To sum it up the best I can again is the more static data you use, the less flexible your program becomes because there can only ever be one, and it becomes very difficult for you to reason about your code. Static is essentially just static data is global data. It's shared data. It causes maintenance issues. Static methods, if you can get, yeah, I don't really see any problems with static methods, but static data is really what you need to take care or think about.